Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Honda Africa Twin. This 1000cc twin-cylinder adventure bike with automatic transmission just arrived with only 24,000 miles. Beautiful condition. It's got the Honda side cases and quick release top case, bark busters. It's got a phone mount, heated electric grips. This thing is in beautiful condition. Oh yeah, it's also got an exhaust system. Terminioni exhaust. Come on by, make your automatic adventure bike dreams come true for just $99.90. This bike's not going to be here long. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Just push the button and take off. No gears to shift. 6-speed dual clutch transmission. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.